Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been looking for a way to protect your devices without breaking the bank, then today's video is for you. I'm going to share some Avast Antivirus coupon codes that can save you up to 50% off, and I'll even give you some extra tips to grab the best deals on Avast's premium plans. Stick with me till the end because these codes can help you save a lot. For those who don't know, Avast is one of the world's most trusted antivirus providers. They've got everything from real-time malware protection, VPN services, advanced firewalls, to identity theft protection. Basically, if you want peace of mind while browsing online, Avast has you covered. Now let's jump into the discount codes you can try. AVAST50 off. Get 50% off on Avast Premium Security. Save 40 AV, flat 40% discount on multi-device plans. Secure 30, take 30% off on Avast Ultimate Bundle. VPN 25 save. Special 25% discount on Avast Secure Line VPN. Avast 15 extra. Use this for an extra 15% off site-wide. Quick tip, if one code doesn't work, don't stress, just try another. Avast rotates their deals depending on the season. For example, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, or back-to-school promos often give the biggest discounts. Now, here's how you can make sure you're always getting the lowest price. Always check Avast's official website. Their deals page is updated regularly. Look out for bundle packages. You'll often save more when you combine antivirus plus VPN plus cleanup tools. Sign up for Avast's newsletter. They sometimes send out exclusive subscriber-only coupons. And of course, bookmark reliable coupon sites or use discount browser extensions that auto-apply codes. So before you upgrade your antivirus or renew your subscription, make sure you try these promo codes. Protecting your devices is important, but that doesn't mean you have to overspend. With the right code, you could slash the price by half. All right, guys, that's it for today. If this video helped you save some money, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss more money-saving hacks and coupon code updates.